In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cyberghost on Linux, specifically on distributions like Ubuntu and Mint. This process is straightforward and will have you connected to a secure VPN in no time. If you're ready, let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Cyberghost VPN website. Once the page has loaded, your next step is to log into your account. To do this, click on the My Account button located at the top right corner of the homepage. This will redirect you to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials, your email and password that you used when you registered for Cyberghost. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a handy Forgot Password link available to help you reset it. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Cyberghost home dashboard. It's the central hub where you can manage your account and services. Now, our focus will be on getting the right software for your Linux distribution. We need to head over to the Download Hub. On the dashboard's main menu, find and click on this option. Once you're on the Download Hub page, look for the Desktop Apps section. Cyberghost categorizes its applications for different operating systems, and this is where we need to be for Linux. Click on Desktop Apps, and a new selection of download options will appear. Now, locate the Linux option and click on it. You'll be directed to a page specifically for Linux downloads. Here, you'll see various instructions and options related to the specific type of Linux operating system you're working with. Since we're focusing on Ubuntu or Mint, the setup process is generally the same. Now it's time to configure the application according to your needs. Before proceeding to the download, make sure that your system meets all the necessary requirements outlined on the page. It's essential that your system's configuration is compatible with the Cyberghost software to ensure everything runs smoothly once installed. With that confirmed, go ahead and click on Configure. When you click Configure, you'll see a set of configuration options tailored for your Linux system. Follow the detailed instructions provided on this page to customize the settings to your preference. Once everything is set, proceed with downloading the software package specific to your Linux version. Remember, if you encounter any issues during the download or installation process, Cyberghost has a comprehensive support section available on their website that can guide you through solutions to common problems or allow you to contact their support team directly for further assistance. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to set up Cyberghost on your Linux system. Enjoy secure and private browsing knowing your data is protected. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay secure.